Hey guys, McKenzie here. I want to show you the two types of Velcro grips that we have in our store. The first one that we have is a rectangular piece, which you are going to place, as was shown, along the part lines. Anytime you are sectioning out for an extension row, these are going to be your best friend because they help keep your sectioning clean. The second thing I want to show you that is super exciting is brand new to the IBE store, and these are our patented crown grips. I want to show you exactly how those come together. They come in two separate pieces like this. This one is used to place on top of your sectioning right at the back of your crown, where you sometimes struggle to keep things clean because it is working on a horseshoe shape. This will go on top of the row. This goes underneath to make sure that your sectioning is staying clean underneath as well. And it perfectly follows the curve of the head.